Hello everyone. Today we are going to color a big, wonderful animal from the ocean, a whale. Whales are the giants of the sea, and they are very friendly creatures. Let's take out our crayons and start coloring, while I tell you a fun story about the life of whales. Whales are the largest animals on Earth. Some whales can be as long as a school bus. Even though they live in the ocean, whales are not fish. They are mammals, just like us. That means they need to breathe air from the surface using their blowhole. Whales use their tails and fins to swim gracefully in the ocean. Their big tails help them dive deep under the sea, and then they can jump up high to splash the water. It's really fun to watch whales when they do that. Whales eat in different ways. Some whales, like the blue whale, eat tiny shrimp called krill, even though the blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. It eats some of the smallest food in the ocean. Isn't that amazing? Whales love to travel far across the ocean. Some whales swim thousands of kilometers every year to find warmer places to have their babies. Baby whales are called calves, and they stay close to their mothers, drinking milk and learning how to swim. Whales also sing beautiful songs. Scientists say their songs can travel very far under the water. It's like the whales are talking or singing to each other across the sea. That makes the ocean full of music. And now, our whale is beautifully colored. Whales are gentle giants that remind us how wonderful the ocean is. Don't forget to love and protect the sea, because it's the home of amazing animals like our whale. Great job coloring today.